guys, welcome back to another. Whoa, sorry for the hair. Yeah, quarantine hair. Yep. Yeah, welcome back to another DR Vlogs video, and today we are doing a weekend vlog where I just take the camera around and just talk to you all day. But because it's quarantine, I need to have some ideas because you can't just go out and do stuff normally. So I have got to do a podcast, tidy my room, go on my new bike, and talk about our podcast film. And I'm probably going to go out sometime in between all of those. So what one do you think we should do first? Tidy my room first, because that is the most boring one. So I'm just going to get to tidy my room. Okay, now I'm just going to tidy my room. This is my room here. So let me start by saying the original clip for this was 22 minutes long. So you probably would have been bored to death. So instead I'll tell you what happened and basically what I did. I put some clothes away and sellotaped some wires to my desk to make them look tidier. And it took me 22 minutes. Honestly, quarantine. And that is about it. Okay, so now I am done with my bedroom. As you saw there, I'll see you downstairs. As you can hear, and I'm just going to go out on my bike around the block for a little bit, just to get out, you know? So, roll the clips. Dog walk after that, bike ride, well not bike ride, just a little spin around the block. So I guess I'll catch up with you after that then. Okay, I'll go on the dog walk for real now. The dog walk took about 1 hour and 30 minutes in total, and I managed to take a photo of the party in the trees. We had a lovely view of Whitstable and the surrounding areas from where we walked. It was actually really nice. Then as we were on the golf course, it began to rain, or at least we thought it would, so we hurried up. In the end, we actually started to run, because we were so scared of getting wet. Then, finally, we made it back to my nan and granddad's house, where we sat half in, half out, due to the rain, and had a lovely French's lunch. And as you can see in the videos, I left my glasses on the table. Oh well. I am now at home. After doing that, it took quite a long time. We went out on a walk and then went into our grandparents' garden. Let's set you up there then. Perfectly fine. Okay, what do we have to do? Okay, so if you stayed into this video for this amount of time, it's absolutely amazing. Please drop a like down below, and definitely after this video, which will probably be soon now, please go check out my podcast film. I spent so much time editing it. It is out. It should be out yesterday. Should have been out yesterday. So Sunday the 7th it was out, and I spent so much time on it. It's with my cousins, and we actually filmed it from 2 different houses, but you'll see how it works, and I'm not very good at acting, so don't hold me to it. But anyway, I think that's going to conclude today's video. And stay tuned, there'll be another video coming out this Friday. I guess I'll see you then. Bye.